Seen blank expressions, felt the pain that sin has caused.
I dealt with heartache and I watched the hearts break, families that suffered great loss.
I've sometimes wondered about the stress we are under, and I'll admit I've even asked why. But then I recall the answer to all of life's question is Jesus Christ.
He is the
Hope for the hopeless, the water, the giver of life.
He is the
Strength for the weary, love for those cast aside.
He gives
Rest to the restless, freedom from fear. When things seem impossible, know that He's near. For all of the problems of life, the answer is Christ.
You may be hurting, desperately searching for answers you can't seem to find. So many choices, wrestling with voices. You're looking for some peace of mind. Feeling the shame from past mistakes as the tears fall from your eyes. Well, don't be discouraged, my friend, take courage.
Your answer is Jesus Christ.
He is the
Hope for the hopeless, the water, the giver of life.
He is the
Strength for the weary, love for those cast aside.
He gives
Rest to the restless, freedom from fear. When things seem impossible, know that He's near. For all of the problems of life, the answer is Christ.
He gives
Rest to the restless, freedom from fear. When things seem impossible, know that He's near. For all of the problems